What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a fixed blade knife from Estwing. As you probably know, or maybe you don't know, it is a company that makes construction materials, tools and supplies like hammers and so on and so forth. I saw this knife, I'm like, man, I gotta check this thing out. Don't do a lot of fixed blades because they're not just really all that particularly easy to carry, especially every day in normal situations for EDC. So, but I thought this was interesting. I figured let's take a look at it and see what we really have here today. Okay, so here we go. This is certainly okay, we got some kind of something on there. I have no idea. I'm not sure what the heck that is. It's not coming off. It's interesting. Packaging glue maybe. Interesting. Okay. So this is 100% U.S.A. made. Looks like it's rusty already. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah, and they've got some kind of DLC coating on it. I don't know if that's rust or if that's some kind of high-tech machining. This is a really funky handle, I will tell you that. I mean, it kind of feels good in the hand. It's kind of feels good in the hand. And you kind of choke up on it like that. It's a beefy thing. Interesting. It is made in the USA by USA made steel. Yeah. I mean, this knife is not an expensive knife. I don't remember exactly. I think it's like 30 bucks. I think $29.99, I think, or something like that. I grabbed it off of Amazon. Thought it would be interesting to check out. So let's see what this big boy weighs, because it's got some heft to it. Here you go. Yeah, 10 ounces. Yeah, she's got some heft to her. I knew she was up there. Okay, yeah, that's for sure. The handle's a little on the slick side, so that's for sure. It's very interesting, for sure. That handle was funky. And for a construction aspect company, you would almost think that they would have took this funky thing here off and maybe made it so you could hammer with the end of the knife. That probably would have been a lot more useful than this funky swoop that they have going on here, like it's a Nike shoe, and let's put a fancy swoop over here on it. And yeah, I don't think it was really practical. It's a rugged knife. I mean, for sure. I mean, at 10 ounces, you can certainly feel it in the hand. That's for sure. And I'll tell you what, she's got an edge on her. She's got a good edge. I mean, she's got a sharp edge, for sure. Yeah. I still don't know what that stuff is. Well, it's like some kind of, I don't know if it's glue or it might be glue from the packaging. Interesting. So over here we have the sheath made in Taiwan. So very interesting. It's got probably a piece of plastic in there. So yeah. Nice belt loop there. Gonna stick up kind of high on your side there, but obviously the intention's good. Yeah, it's not terrible, but I mean, it's not particularly something I'd want to carry around all day. 10 ounces of beefiness. Yeah, very interesting. That's a very interesting knife for sure. So, yeah. So there you guys go. There's a knife by Estwing. USA made. 10 ounces of pure beefy and kind of funky Tanto knife. Interesting. Very interesting. There you guys go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you next time on the next video. Have a great day, guys.